What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. With Halloween fast approaching, I thought it'd be a really cool time of the year to kind of do a little bit of something that everybody's been asking me for. A lot of people have wanted to see kind of that lace effect, and I thought we would maybe recreate it and I'll show you guys how to do it, but with a little bit of a Halloween twist to it. So let me show you what I got and show you what the game plan is for today's video. So what I got from the arts and crafts store is a stretch spider web, a Halloween stretch spider web. Nothing crazy, just something simple. And I got a fender right here that I've already based in satin black ahead of time and scuffed it down, because that's the first step. You want to get your base color down, scuff it up really good. That way you can lay this on right here and it not completely stick to it. And then you choose an accent color, which is what we're going to do. And then we're going to get really creative and have some fun with this fender. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so all I've done is just taken this thing out of the bag and kind of stretched it out a little bit so I can get a little bit of a cool effect. And we're just going to drape it over top of this fender, alright? And what that's going to do is give us a little bit of an area to actually spray our secondary color onto and create a really cool effect. And then we'll pull this off completely and reveal the design. So I'm going to grab a can of silver spray paint. We're going to hit it with that real quick, and then we'll pull it away to reveal the design. So let's get into it. Now you just want to dust this, guys. You ain't got to get crazy with it. Because when we pull it away, it's going to create a really cool effect. And if you wet it out too much, then you're prone to get everything all sticky and it stick to it, and you don't want that. So just lightly dust it, and that's going to give us a really cool effect. And you can do this with any colors you choose, however you want to do it. And you don't want to get too close to it because you don't want to move what you're spraying too much. Because if you do, then you just won't get the effect you're looking for. So alright, let's pull it away and let's reveal our design. Alright guys, so we got a very webby, marbly looking effect, which is actually what I was going for. It's pretty cool. Now, you can do many different things with this. If you're not happy with it and you want to go again, you can stack multiple colors over top to create different effects. But for purpose of this video, I'm kind of liking this design. So we're going to roll with it, and we're going to go into the next step, which is candy. Alright guys, now that we got our webby design work down, we're going to do a mid coat, okay? Typically I'll do this poor man style and clear coat with these limelight candy concentrates. I'm sure you guys have seen me do it on countless videos, but today I'm going to be doing it in a Rustoleum mid coat. So what I'm going to do is remove the spray paint from this can, put it in this cup, and then use yellow and red candies mixed together to create a really cool Halloweenish orange mid coat. And then we'll shoot that over top of the fender behind me, which will give us our candy layer, and then we'll seal everything with a clear coat, make it really glossy and shiny, and take it out in the sun. So I'm going to decant this can first, and then we'll get into mixing some candy. So let's get into it. Altogether, we had 11 ounces of mid-coat. Not too bad for one can of Rustoleum. Alright guys, so to get our spooky Halloween mid-coat today, we'll be mixing Candy Gold Limelight Candy Concentrate with Candy Red Limelight Concentrate. And the way you can always figure out which ones to mix together, Limelight has already done the guesswork for you. Right here, they have a scale on the back of everything to teach you which ones you need to mix and what percentages to get everything. So you need 20% of the yellow, 10% of the red, and that'll give us an orange candy. And that's what we're going for today. So as far as mixing everything out properly and trying to measure it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some sticks and we're just going to dip it into there and just create a candy that way. That way, you know, we're just doing a test fender, so it doesn't really take much. So I'm gonna grab some sticks real quick and let's make some candy. All right, so it says we need way more yellow than we need red, so let's get some yellow in there. There's one, and you'll see it start to yellow instantly. It's not gonna take much. I'm gonna do 2 sticks of yellow, just to try and keep this kind of simple. And then I'll do 1 stick of red. And when we mix this all together, we should get a really cool orange. So let's take these sticks, let's put them all together, and let's mix it up and see if we can't get a really cool orange. Oh yeah, that's a deep, rich orange. So I think that'll look really good, guys. All right, well, only one thing to do. Load up the paint gun, and let's get to spraying this candy. Alright guys, so we've done our Halloween web design, and now we've got this D1 Drizzle Intercraft paint gun with a 1.3 tip that I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger, loaded up with some custom candy orange limelight Halloween mix, right? And what we're going to do on this today is just consistent coats till we get a good candy effect, and then after that we'll switch over to shooting it with some clear. We'll seal it up completely, we'll take it out in the sun, and we'll see what this spooky creation really turns into. So I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so today I used a spiderweb design lace pattern. I used some candy orange and then a glimmer ghost gold of all things to create this really interesting looking design of a Halloween spray out. And you can use this whole same technique for using lace or whatever else you want to do, like on a roof or anything like that. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so what do you think of my crazy Halloween theme creation today, guys? We started off with satin black Rustoleum. I let that cure out good. I scuffed it down with a red Scotch-Brite or 600 grit equivalent. I threw that little web I got from the dollar store over top of it. I fogged some silver on it. That way I got a good metallic depth of base, and then we hit it with a lot of coats of candy orange, guys. This was about 6 coats of candy orange altogether. I ended up using that whole can. I had to go back and mix a little bit more candy because orange and yellow are like the hardest one to get full coverage with. So just keep that in mind if you decide to do something like this on your projects. And then of course the Speedo line clear, I threw a little glimmer ghost gold in there just to give it a nice sparkle. And I think it all came together well, guys, but it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10. If you decide you want to spray with the glimmer ghost gold from my candy, I am an affiliate, so I have links down in the description at checkout. Enter WAW shop while shop, you'll get a discount. As far as the Speedo line clear, the limelight candy concentrates, the paint gun, the mask, all that stuff is always in my Amazon store, guys. The one that says Ask C on YouTube. You just click that link below. It'll take you to my store. You can pick up everything for the same price as me. We will get a small kickback. But like I said, it costs you nothing extra. You get the benefits of Prime and everything else Amazon has to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like these crazy spray outs, the paint jobs, the tutorials, stuff like that, anything with custom painting and learning and just having fun, definitely, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell beside it. It'll notify you every time a new episode drops. We're all the time coming out with crazy new episodes, and I try to do at least a little something for every holiday if I can and kind of theme it out. Just have fun with it. It's custom painting. And yeah, guys, that's kind of it for today. If you made it this far, definitely hit that like. Leave me a quick comment. It helps me out tremendously with the algorithm. And like I said, rate it. If you haven't seen a spray out on this channel, or if I haven't done it yet, guys, definitely drop it in the comments. I'll get to it. But I got over 170 plus spray outs, all different kinds of color combinations with pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything. So definitely go back and take a look and get your wheels turning for your next project. But I really appreciate you guys for always sticking with me. It's a tremendous blessing, and you know, I just couldn't be more grateful to each and every one of you. So as always, guys, I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. So hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.